Hello, everyone. My name is Jaya Hawthorne. I am a senior mass communication major with a concentration in digital media, and I will be doing my final research project on the impact of color complexity on social media user engagement. This class is Summer 1 2026, Art 2315. For this project, I researched how color influences audience engagement on social media. As a mass communication major, understanding how important visual communication affects audiences and realizing how important that is because of marketers, advertisers, and content creators, we all use different types of colors to attract attention and increase engagement. As a content creator, I definitely look for different vibrant colors to really make my overall presentation that I am posting on social media stand out. Color is very important when it comes to media. The research study I selected is called Standing Out from the Crowd: When and Why Color Complexity in Social Media Increases User Engagement. That is by Kanuri Hughes and Hodges. The researchers wanted to determine whether color complexity in social media images increases user engagement, such as likes, comments, shares, and clicks. Color complexity refers to the variety and arrangement of colors within an image. User engagement mainly focuses on the likes, the shares, the engagement, the comments, and the clicks. Let's go ahead and get into the butterfly analysis. The first figure demonstrates all different levels of color complexity. The first butterfly has the highest color complexity. It contains many hues such as red, orange, yellow, green, purple, and pink. The colorful backgrounds add even more visual variety within the picture. The second butterfly has medium color complexity. It still contains multiple colors, but there is less overall color within the image. The third butterfly has the lowest color complexity. It is grayscale and it contains only shades of gray and white. The first image definitely includes multiple hues. It has high saturation and a very strong contrast. The medium color complexity has a moderate color variety, and the low color complexity is achromatic and it's a grayscale. The term hue refers to the actual color we see, such as red, blue, yellow, and green. Saturation refers to the intensity or vividness of the color, so it really makes the overall picture pop. And what I noticed about the first picture is that it really includes a small amount of saturation that makes the entire picture pop. Contrast refers to the difference between colors and helps images stand out and capture attention. And achromatic means an image that is mainly made up of white, black, and gray. Since the third butterfly is achromatic, it contains very little color variation. In the article that I researched, the researchers came to the conclusion that the higher the color complexity, the more it captures the viewer's attention and it generates a greater amount of engagement throughout social media. For example, if you see things like logos for Snapchat, you notice how Snapchat has the yellow background, which is super vibrant, but the inside is a white ghost. Having that yellow background really makes the overall logo pop. Or you have certain things such as McDonald's. The background is red, but that overall color of the M, meaning yellow, that obviously makes the entire photo pop. So with images like the butterfly, the first butterfly, this is something that I will look at immediately because it stands out, it has a lot of vibrant colors, and it has a very high saturation. Images with a greater variety of colors are more likely to stand out in crowded social media feeds. It gets more color complexity and more intention, which also leads to more engagement. So, I know you're wondering, how does this connect with mass communications? This research is very important with mass communications because social media managers, advertisers, and public relations professionals and content creators can use color strategically to increase engagement within likes, follows, views, and shares. Understanding concepts such as hue, contrast, saturation, and color complexity can help communicators design stronger visual content. In conclusion, this study that I was able to do heavy research on shows that color is such an important element when it comes to visual and media communication studies. Images with a higher color complexity are more likely to capture the attention, to increase engagement on social media in order to make people's content become better and more interesting and fun to watch. As a mass communication major, this made me understand the importance of how color influences audience behavior and how communication professionals can use color to create more effective and fun, engaging content. Thank you.